Hey everyone, Josh Smith with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm here checking out some cool new keyboards for the iPad Pro. This is for the new iPad Pro that was announced, the 2018 model that's available in stores now. We have the Zagg SlimBook Go for the 12.9 and also for the 11, and they have this available today with all of these new features for the 9.7 as well. And they have some other more durable, a little more rugged options available for the 11-inch iPad Pro. So what they've done here is they've gone to a completely new key design. So the keys are a little bit thinner, but you still have a really nice touch type here. So there's a lot of tactile feedback. You get a decent amount of travel. Definitely better feel than the Apple keyboard. Now, what's also great about this is it's backlit. We have this small tray right here for your Apple Pencil, and then you can put the Apple Pencil in here when you're storing it, but that's not the only place it goes. There's a cutout up here so that when you are charging it, you can keep your Apple Pencil at the top of your iPad Pro. Now, you've noticed on the back of this that there's a kickstand, and this comes apart. So over here, we have a look. Over here we have a look at the back. So there's this kickstand that folds up, and so you can find the right angle. So you can detach this and use the keyboard when it's Bluetooth with this, say, on a desk and this a little bit closer, or on a stand and this on your lap on the couch, or you can keep it together. Or one thing that I did with the previous version is I would take this and I would use just this in bed as a stand to watch something on the iPad. The feel of this is really nice. It has a rubberish kind of feel here, so you get a nice little bit of grip, and overall you have a nice look to this entire package with a fabric style exterior. And again, this is available today for the 9.7 inch, and it's coming in March and April for the 11 inch and the 12.9 inch. If you go for the 9.7 inch, that's available today, it's $99. That's the same price for the 11 inch. You're at $129 for the 12.9, and then if you go over to the rugged options, you're at $149 for the 11 inch. Thanks for joining me to check out these cool new iPad Pro keyboards from Zagg. We'll have a closer look as they become available, but so far in our quick testing here, they definitely look and feel and type better than Apple's keyboard option, and they're more affordable. If you found this video useful, leave us a comment and let us know what you're looking for in an iPad Pro keyboard, and subscribe for more.